Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at the dollar index here, daily time frame first. We've got that big dump on Friday. Potential bullish reversal candlestick forming here today. We can see the bulls bought the dip down to 93.74 support. We've got resistance, the high of the day at 94.27, and we're watching the price react around $94 psychological support over the past couple of days. So looking here on the hourly chart, we can see $94 was key support back on Friday. We did lose it towards the end of the day, regained it, lost it again today, and we are currently back testing that level as resistance. So that $94 psychological resistance level, seeing a lot of play around it. If we can turn that into support, we will be looking up towards that 94.27 resistance. And if we can break that level, you can see because of how steep this drop was, there's going to be some nice upside potential. So 94.27, then we're looking at 94.48, and then from there we're going to need to zoom out and look at previous support levels to act as resistance. 95.15, so point being above 94.27 and above 94.48, big time space for potential movement for the bulls. That being said, still a lot of work to do. $94 still psychological resistance, and if we look at the weekly chart, we can see we're still very much so in a lower high and lower low pattern ever since December, and this bounce would have broken that downtrend line. If we can put it in here real quick, we've got very steep pullback, rejecting the price, but the breakout, even though it's a clear break of that resistance line, it is still a lower high pattern. So we would have to break 96.42 to start to potentially change the trend. Then we're looking up at 98.59, so a lot of work for the bulls to reverse this trend. And zooming in, we're going to be watching the hourly chart from here and how we react to $94. So that is the breakdown, and you can use all kinds of time frames to get information. Here is the 15-minute chart. Put a downtrend line on the 15-minute chart. See that we had a bullish break, but still in those lower high patterns, very similar to the weekly chart. And $94 will be key heading into tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.